Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So this week I'll be showing you how to create this really fun and really pretty peachy springtime makeup look. And I love how this is more colorful than what I usually go for, but is still really wearable. Anyway, really quickly before we get started, I just wanted to say that if you like this video and want to see more from me, please subscribe to my channel. That would be awesome and I'd be really grateful. And also, please come find me on Instagram and TikTok. That would be really cool. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm going to start off by using this BB cream from Shiseido, but you go ahead and use whatever you normally use for your base because no one knows your skin better than you do. I personally like something lightweight that gives you a little bit of coverage and has an SPF. I really don't like heavier foundations even though they do give you better coverage because I don't know, I just find them really uncomfortable. And you always have to have an SPF because the sun. Alright, so now I'm going to come in with my IT Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer and apply that anywhere where I need a little bit more coverage than just a BB cream. So like the darkness under my eyes, the redness around my nose and my chin, and the broken blood vessels on my cheeks. Anyway, this concealer is awesome. It has great coverage and a little bit goes a long way. So moving on to my favorite part, the eyes, and for this look I'll be using my ColourPop Bare Necessities palette. To start off, I'm going to take the shade Hustler and apply that all over my lids. This is just going to give me a nice base to work off of moving forward. Next, I'm going to come in and grab the shade Complicated and apply that to the outer thirds of my eyes and pull that into my crease. And once that's looking pretty blended, I'm going to pull this a little bit upwards and outwards and create a V shape like so. And I find that this creates a really pretty lifted and elongated sort of look. And now I'm going to go back and grab more of the shade Hustler and use that to make sure everything's really soft and blended looking. I'm also going to take a little bit of the shade and apply it to my lower lash line to create a very subtle smoky effect. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to come grab the shade Tease Me and apply that to the inner thirds of my eyes. This is just a really pretty gold, peachy shimmery color, and I think it does a great job of brightening up the inner portion of your eyes. And then to wrap things up, I'm going to come in and grab the shade The Talk, which is my favorite by the way, and apply that all over my lids because I love a shimmery lid. Alright, so I'm going to do something pretty brave for me, and I'm going to come in with this Physicians Formula liquid liner and create a little baby wing. And I'm going to do it on camera, which I've never done before because I am awful at putting on liquid liner. But your girl is going to try to grow, so let's see how this goes. This video could be over. For brows, I'll be using Benefit's Goof Proof Brow Pencil and Brow Gel. As per usual, I'm not doing anything too fancy. I'm just going to fill in any areas that are sparse and then fluff up my brows to make them look a little bit more voluminous and nice. And let me tell you that I'm so happy that this is the current brow look because when we were in that super arch gel brow look, I was just not able to do that. To set my BB cream and my concealer, I'm going to be using CoverGirl's Clean Press Powder. And I'm going to be applying that more heavily to areas under my eyes and my T-zone and my chin because I tend to get pretty oily there. And then I'm just going to do a light dusting everywhere else. And yeah, I've been using this powder since high school and I really like it. It gives you a little bit of extra coverage and it does a great job of keeping the shine away. And using Physicians Formula's Butter Bronzer, I'm going to come in and do some very light contouring and general bronzing because it's been a while since I've been outside. For highlight, I'll be using Benefit's What's Up Highlight, and I'm going to be applying this to my nose and my cheekbones. And I just love this highlight so much. As you can see, it creates just the prettiest warm glow. Using L'Oreal's Visible Lift Cream Blush in this coral shade, I'm going to create a really pretty peachy flush, and I'm just going to apply this up my cheekbones and in towards my nose. I'm going for that. I've been outside and it's kind of hot out, and I got a little bit of sun sort of look, if you know what I mean. For mascara, I'll be using my Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara, and you guys know how I feel about this stuff. I love it, and it does a great job of making my not so nice lashes look pretty nice. Like if you have sparse lashes that do not like to hold a curl, I would highly recommend this. For liner, I'll be using this Bite Beauty lip pencil in the shade 16. I think this is the prettiest rosy pink shade, and the formulation is super easy to work with. And yeah, I'm just gonna line my lips because I feel like if I overline them, they would kind of look ridiculous. The lipstick I have is Estee Lauder's The Barest, and this is my favorite. I absolutely love it. The formulation is great, and I think the color is like the perfect nude for me. And yeah, it is discontinued, and I don't really know what I'm gonna do when this is gone, so yeah. Let me know if you guys know of anything similar because I am concerned. And then to top things off, I have this Bite Beauty lip gloss in the shade Dirty Chai. And I think this goes really well with the lipstick and the lip liner. I feel like they're like a set, even though they're not actually a set. And yeah, here's the finished look. As I said in the beginning, I love how this has a little bit of color, but is still very wearable. It is definitely a look that I'll be wearing this spring. Anyway, I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more from me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!